In this video, I'll be showing you how I put together the easiest Harry Potter party ever. When you search Harry Potter party on Pinterest, there are hundreds of awesome ideas that come up.
Thank you.
But a lot of times, they can be complicated and expensive.
No thanks. I'm all set.
So when my daughter told me she wanted a Harry Potter party for her 9th birthday, I knew I wanted it to be 4 things: simple, budget-friendly, stress-free, and, of course, super fun. Here's what I came up with. The first thing the kids did when they arrived was choose a wand and decorate it. There are lots of tutorials online showing you how to make your own wizarding wand, but the easiest one I found used cheap chopsticks and hot glue.
The wand chooses the wizard, Mr. Potter.
About a week before the party, I sat down and used just regular hot glue to make these cool-looking handles and details. I made a few different styles so the kids could choose which one they liked best. Then they used just regular acrylic paint, paint markers, and some of these gems to decorate them however they wanted. Next, we sorted each of the kids into their Hogwarts houses.
Ah, right then.
I brought out this old witch's hat from my Halloween decor bin and used it as our sorting hat. Then all they had to do was reach in and grab a piece of paper that told them which house they would be joining. I found these cute Hogwarts house ties on Etsy by the brand Bonjour Fête. Excuse my French. They had these nice elastic bands so the kids could easily put them over their heads. They were a bit of a splurge, but I think they would be super easy to DIY if you want to save a little more money. Then we started our Hogwarts House Cup tournament. To keep score throughout, I made this very simple scoreboard on some foam board I already had. The first game was our Transfiguration class. Everyone got a piece of tinfoil, and I gave them all 3 minutes to mold the tinfoil into a duck. It was super funny, and some of them were actually really good. We then judged each team's ducks from 1st place to 4th place, and gave them points accordingly. How do you think my duck turned out? I don't know. Kinda looks like a swan. Next was Charms class. For this, we played Flip Cup. Each kid had 5 chances to flip the cup and try to get it to land upright to score points for their team. After Charms was History of Magic. Each team was given a Harry Potter word search, and they all had 5 minutes to find as many words as they could. This was probably the kids' least favorite game, but hey, it's fitting because nobody likes History of Magic anyways. We then took a little break to let the kids have a snack, work on their wands, or watch some of the first Harry Potter movie, which we had playing quietly in the background throughout the party. For snacks, I set out cheese puffs and called them Hufflepuffs, bugles for Ravenclaws, red grapes and called them Gryffindor grapes, and some gummy worms as Slytherin snakes. For our 4th game, we played Quidditch Pong. I found these cool 3D printed Quidditch hoops on Etsy, but again, you could probably make your own cheaper version. I've seen tutorials where you take a badminton or tennis racket and cut out the netting to make hoops, which is really cool. I then got these red ping pong balls so they would look like waffles, but you could just get regular ping pong balls too. The kids had 5 tries to bounce the balls into the hoops and score for their teams. The last game we played was by far the simplest. We freed our friend Dobby the house elf by having the kids throw some socks into a laundry basket.
Master has given Dobby a sock.
I printed out this sign to tape onto the laundry basket. The team that made the most baskets got the most points. In the end, Ravenclaw won the house cup, and I gave everyone on the team these little trophies with a little candy inside. I printed out these cute Hogwarts house cup labels on sticker paper just to make them look more legit. As each kid left, they got one of these goodie bags. I had so much fun putting these together. I found these bags on Amazon and I thought they were so cute. I wanted to fill them with some of the things you could buy at Diagon Alley before heading off to Hogwarts. First, I got a big pack of these plain notebooks and covered them with the names of different spell books you would need for school. For example, this one is the Standard Book of Spells by Miranda Goshawk. Then I found these cool feather pens on Amazon so they could each have a quill. I also put in a little plastic cauldron with a piece of candy inside. And finally, I got a 12-pack of these chocolate gold coins and made my own little Gringotts Bank label. As far as decorations, I again kept it very simple. I picked up a few Harry Potter decorations from Party City, like this happy birthday sign and this Hogwarts photo backdrop. I also found these classic Sirius Black and Harry Potter signs online and printed out a few copies to hang up throughout the house. Then I just pulled out some of my Halloween decor since I feel that it fits with the theme and it helps create a little bit more of a spooky vibe. My husband is also a big Funko Pop collector, so I just grabbed any Harry Potter ones that he had and used them to decorate too. Last but not least, I made some simple cupcakes using good old Betty Crocker box mix and put some gold and white sprinkles on top. I found some cute Harry Potter stickers at the store and just attached them to toothpicks for the cupcake toppers. Cute and so easy. My daughter loved her party and the kids had a great time. But I honestly think it would be great for people of all ages. I would be so excited to do a party like this for me and all of my friends. Let me know if you give any of these ideas a try, and I hope you have an awesome Harry Potter party. Bye!